In a world where guests expect more, static experiences are fading. Guests are hungry for interactivity. The future of interactivity is here. With InterACT by Daniels Woodland, you can create interactive vignettes that get triggered by special keepsakes guests buy. Boost guest experience, increase dwell time, and open up a brilliant new revenue stream. InterACT by Daniels Woodland brings that power of interactivity to amusement parks, seasonal attractions, festivals, museums, zoos, aquariums, and more.
You can really get ahead with InterACT.
InterACT is a brand new system by Daniels Woodland that lets owners produce interactive vignettes around their location that elevate guest experience and create a whole new revenue stream through special little keepsakes that guests buy.
Instead of a static souvenir at the end of the day, you sell an interactive keepsake at ticketing that unlocks gameplay, story, and exclusive experiences. And the best part? Guests can play all day, take it home, cherish it forever.
The future of interactivity's here, mates. Brought to you by yours truly, Octavius Interactus Maximus.
For amusement parks, InterACT gamifies queues and adds interactivity between attractions. For museums, it turns learning into play. For seasonal attractions, it can be the perfect upsell at ticketing, utilizing existing infrastructure to boost guest experience and increase dwell time.
At its heart, InterACT is a control system that lets us control simple animated features all the way to the most complicated things. You can add lights and sound and video effects, DMX compliance, all kinds of things. And so if you're not sure what to do, just give us a call. We'll lend you a helping hand to figure it all out and create some special effect like this.
Biometric scan accepted.
We've been working with Daniels Woodland now for over a couple of years on some great projects. I love the idea that you can extend an experience that maybe already exists, and you can either get a wristband, or what's really neat are these little themed coins, and I'm sure you could do this in anything, and you just hold it up to something and you get like a cool little interactive experience.
We're really excited to get InterACT going in Seattle at our pier. We're looking to sell the wristbands or the tokens, and people can go around on a little scavenger hunt and discover history. What we like about it is we think it'll turn our physical building into a ride in itself. We have a lot of different displays, and this gives us a unique ability to have those come to life.
So this is another great example of what we can do with InterACT. We have this ogre character here that we created quite a few years ago, and he's a spectacular scene. But now that we have InterACT, we know we can take it to a whole new level with just a few simple special effects. And here we go. So you can see we just added a little bit of fog and some lighting and an incredible audio clip that makes the hair stand up on the back of your neck, and all of a sudden the ogre comes to life.
The best part is, InterACT can be added seamlessly to your existing location. Every statue, mural, prop, and corridor can become an interactive touchpoint to boost guest experience, driving dwell time and photo moments. Interactive experiences are here to stay, and it's happening across the industry. This is your chance to unlock the door to a new realm of interactive entertainment. So why wait? The magic is just a tap away with InterACT by Daniels Woodland.